Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to change the grayscale image slowly into a full color image, object or a video. So I have prepared three slides over here. I'm just going to show you the examples what I've made. You can see that the image of that the blue color lady slowly converts to the full color. Now for the moon, if you see now starting it is grayscale and slowly it is coming to the full color blue moon. And the same in the video, now it's grayscale and it slowly gets converted to the full color video. And this is a video you can see here. I can just play for you. It's a video. Okay, so how do we make this? So let's begin. So let's start with the image concept first. So I'm just going to insert a new slide. Okay, now first thing, let's put the background. Go to the format, go to the picture, go to the file. This is an image I've selected and kept. So I just put the background for it. Now what the next thing what we have to do is to insert an image. So insert picture and the picture of this woman. So it's already here. So so let's give it this size. So I'm going to align center and I'm going to align middle. So now what we have to do is that you have to take a copy of this. Okay, copy of the now. So you have two images now. So what you have to do is that the one image you have to convert it into the color saturation 0 so that it becomes a grayscale image. Now select both images, align, you know, top and align left. Okay. So now what you have to do is that you have to select the color image. You have to go to animations. You have to go to the fade effect, and in the fade effect you can click after previous and give the duration as at least 5 seconds or more. If you want the grayscale to color uh, want to come very slow, then you can give more. For time being I'm giving 5, and I'm going to show you how this is going to appear. So let us see how this appears. See, you can see slowly the grayscale comes to the full color. Okay, so this is the first one. So now let us see for the object. So here the moon is the object. So what we can do is, again I'm going to the home. I'm going to insert a new slide. I'm going to close the animation pane and going to the design, and I'm going to the format background, fill picture, again file. Again I'm going to insert the picture. Background picture is ready now, so I'm going to close it. So now the next step is to insert the moon. So insert the picture, insert the moon. You can get this moon PNG even from Google or any sites like FreePic or anywhere. You can get the moon, but it should be a PNG. Otherwise, it will have the white background along with that, which will not look good. So I'm just making it slightly bigger, and I'm keeping it somewhere here. So again, the same step what we have done for the image. So just going to take a copy of it. Okay. Now I'm going to make one as grayscale, and I'm going to take one as color. So let's align both together. So align top and align left, so it becomes one under the other. So now what you have to do is that select the first one, the colored one, go to the animations, go to the fade in effect animation pane, click after previous and give the duration if you want. Now last time we tried 5 seconds, so this time maybe we can try 7 seconds. So Let us see how this works. You can see now it is grayscale, and it's slowly getting converted into the the full color blue moon. So this is the second animation. Hope you liked it. Now let's go to the third one. Third one is the video. Now if you look at the current slide, I know it's a colored video directly. So now how to make it grayscale and slowly, gradually bring this video into the color. So again, let's go to home. Let's insert a new image, sorry, new slide. And again, let us go to the design, format background, fill the picture, and insert the image. Okay, so the next step is to insert a video. So let's insert video, and you can either choose it from online video or video on my PC. So for time being, I have a video which I've downloaded. So let's go to Grayscale, and I have one video here. So I'm just inserting the video. It's a very big, big size video. So I'm just making a small size or a slightly bigger one, something like this. So again, align center and align middle. So now what you have to do is, again, you have to take a copy of this, and from this you can go to the color corrections, and you can give a dull color. Again, a grayscale image, grayscale video, and this one. So just align left and align top, so the video comes back on back. So now let's see the colored image. Click on the colored image, colored video, and go to the animations and give the fade effect. Fade effect, go to the animation pane, just close this, and again after previous, and increase the duration. Last time it was 7 seconds, so we will give exactly the same, and let us see how this goes. See, now it's a completely grayscale. Now get slowly converted into a full color video wherein you can play it. Hope you like this slide as well. So thank you very much. Let's see on the next PowerPoint.